So this question says that a quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in a circle such that AB is to CD is 2:1 and BC is to AD is 5:4. If A, C and BD intersect at point E, then A is to C is equal what? Okay. Let me draw, this is the circle. So this is AB and this will be CD. CD. So this is the quadrilateral. Yes. AB is to CD is 2:1. So if this is 2x, this is x. BC and AD is 5:4. So BC is 5y and AD is 4y. Okay. Now they AC and BD, like the diagonals intersect at point E. This is point E. Now we have to find AE upon CE. This is what we have to find. Okay. Now if you just take the chord CD, we know that the chord subtends the same angle in the opposite segment. So now CD, the angle, this angle which is subtended by CD, which is angle DAC. So angle DAC is same as this angle, which is angle DBC, equal to angle DBC. We know that now. Also, this angle and this angle are opposite angle. So angle AED is equal to angle BEC. So if these two angles are same, the third angle of this triangle and this triangle has to be equal. Okay, if two angles are equal, the other third angle has to be equal. So we can say triangle AED is similar to triangle. Now angle A is same as this angle B. So this is B. Angle E is same in both of them. Is same as triangle BEC. So now from this what we get is AE divided by BE, these are similar triangles, that will be equal to AD divided by BC. So AE, the side we have chosen here, and the same side first and the second. So again the same side first and second, B is chosen here. AD is the first and the last. So BC is the first and the last. Why AD and BC? Because AD and BC ratio is given to us. So AD and BC ratio is given to us. So AD is what? 4y. And BC is what? 5y. So this is equal to 4 by 5. So now I know one thing, that is AE upon BE is equal to 4 by 5. This is what we know. Now if you look at it, if you look at chord AD, from this side, this is now subtending two angles like this. So ACD is, let's say, this angle. Now this is same as angle DBA. ACD is similar as DBA. So because again the chord AD, the same chord is subtending these angles in the opposite segment. So angle ACD is equal to angle DBA. Okay, and similarly this angle E over here, and these are vertically opposite angle. So angle AEB is same as angle DEC. Now if these two angles are same in this triangle, then this angle, third angle, has to be equal. Okay. So triangle ABE is similar to triangle. So now if you look at it, this B is same as this C. So C, E and D. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle DCE. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle DCE. Okay, so now from this logic, now we have BE over here. So now, and we know AB and DC. So if I have A, from here we can write AB upon DC, AB upon DC, AB upon DC is equal to BE upon CE, this BE upon CE. Okay, so AB upon DC is what? AB is what? 2x, DC is what? X. So this is nothing but 2x upon x. So x goes away, so this is 2 by 1. So BE upon CE is 2 by 1. So here I'll write BE upon CE is 2 by 1. We have to find AE upon CE now. So I have this thing. So I can write AE upon CE as AE upon BE multiplied by BE upon CE. Right? Here BE cancels out. So AE upon BE is what? 4 by 5 multiplied by BE upon CE is what? 2 by 1. So 4 by 5 into 2 by 1, that is 8 upon 5. So AE upon CE, which is what we have to find, is 8 upon 5, or the ratio is 8 is to 5. 8 is to 5 over here is the correct answer. Alright, so that is how we solve this question.